In this video, I am going to tell you a way to make money with zero cash investment. That means you are not going to commit any money and you are going to make money. Zero cash investment, zero cash investment, and you are going to make a whole lot of money. Then at the end of the video, I am going to give you a Ponzi update. Yes, a very, very critical Ponzi update. Now, let's get right into how to make money with zero updates. I know a lot of people are going to be interested in this topic. You know why? Because a lot of people are looking for how to make money without spending any money. Now, the world is not complicated. It is you and I that are complicating things. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. My name is Victor Isibor. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself earlier. Forgive my manners. If it's your first time here, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my subsequent uploads. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, to make money, one thing is constant. And what is that? Work. The only way you can make money is to work. Render a service. All right? Work is constant. Now, the so-called investors, what they do is their money does what? Their money works for them. So instead of them to be directly involved in making the money, their money is used to engage the expertise, the services, the sweat of other people, so that work must be done. Then they now make the money. All right. Now, the second other way to make money is for you to do the work. You understand? It's either your money is doing it for you or you're doing it by yourself. So please, I find it difficult to understand when people come to tell me, I don't have money. And I am busy. I don't have time. I can't do the work. Yet, you want to make money. I don't get that part. Somebody should make it make sense to me. Only you don't have money. Only you cannot do the work. And yet, you want to make money. It's like saying, this cake, I want to eat it, but I still want to be seeing it. I still want to have it. It does not make any sense. All right? So, if you want to make money and you do not have money to invest, my brother, my sister, go, dust your CV, look for a job. Look for a job and start working. Or go and learn a skill, handwork, and start working and start monetizing it. Stop looking for free way to make money online. If you're a network marketer and you are watching this thing, you will understand that anytime you advertise something, you will see a lot of people will come into your DM to ask you, is it free? Is it free? They are looking for free way to make money. Is it free? Is it free? And if you tell them, well, it is not free. Okay, it is not free. But there's a free way to participate. If you work, you refer, you network, you take advantage of the compensation plan, you will make money. They will not like it because they are looking for something that is free and they won't lift a finger and they will make money. All right. Now, do you know the saddest part there? The saddest part that saddens me, now we have gotten to the Ponzi update, is that some people have Ponzi engraved in their DNA. Ponzi is inside their DNA. You will advertise something legitimate to somebody today. Mark the dates down. They will look at the compensation plan, see that it is legitimate. They will start giving you excuses. Oh, I don't have money. My wife swallowed a spoon yesterday. I had to spend money to perform surgery on her. Oh, my younger brother drank kerosene last week, so I spent all my money. If it is legitimate, people will have all the excuses in the world so as not to bring money to do it. Just show them Ponzi. Oh, no. just show them Ponzi. The money will come out somehow, some way. Plenty people that fell victim of CBEX. These were people that told me that they did not have money when I showed them something legitimate before CBEX. Now, they will now bring the story to you, more CBEX. I lost 11 million. Look at the numbers. When a Ponzi scheme collapses, look at the numbers. That is where you will know that a lot of people that tell you that they don't have money, they are lying. Because it is those people that invested that money, that huge sum of money in that Ponzi scheme that collapsed. So if it is legit, they don't have money. But if it's a Ponzi, they will have money. Right? Look at their personal lives. Look at their relationships. Those men that love Ponzi. Those men that invest huge in Ponzi. Look at their relationship. Their relationship is always like this. When they meet a bad girl, a street girl, a very terrible girl, they'll buy her iPhone, they'll buy her wigs, they'll take her on vacation to Santorini. They'll give her all the best. Later, the girl will dump them for a richer man. Now, they will now meet a good, decent girl that has home training and has good personality. That is when they will now remember to be stingy. So instead of giving this good girl money now, they'll be giving her motivation. MO for money. MO motivation is what they give to the good girl. They will now be telling her about their past experience with a bad girl. I spent money for one useless girl. She just ran away. She disappointed me. So now that I have you, I'm being careful. I want to observe you. That's what they'll be saying. The good girl always gets motivation while the bad girl gets the money. It is the same thing with network marketing. A Ponzi man will be telling a legit network marketer that, no, let me study it first. They would lie to you that they want to study your project. Let me study it first. I want to study it to understand it very well. Or maybe they will start with, let me start with $100 first. Last month I lost 11 million to CBEX. I lost 7 million to pole mining. They will be giving you stories of how they lost millions to Ponzi scheme with only $100 in their hand to test your own. Meanwhile, they'll be giving you story of how they invested millions in a Ponzi scheme. Do you know why? Because a legit project does not give them what they want. Legit project will not give them a fixed ROI, come rain, come shine, because it's not realistic for you to have a fixed daily ROI, come rain, come shine. A legit project will have some element of work that they need to do. They don't want to work. They are so lazy. That is why they are always skeptical about legit and they always jump at Ponzi schemes. That guy that is telling you, let me study it very well. They'll be asking you annoying questions. They want you to explain and dissect the entire legit project to them up to the tiniest bit. This is the same person that does not ask any question when it comes to Ponzi scheme. Their brain goes on holidays. All of a sudden, they will turn to professor, PhD students, and researchers when it comes to legit. Yeah, their investigation is on legit. Their carefulness is with legit. Their patience is with legit. But when it comes to Ponzi scheme, they will sell their valuables. They will not think. They will not ask questions. They will just jump right in and they will lose money. Then when it comes to legit, they are now wise. That person claiming wisdom will become foolish the moment you show them another Ponzi scheme. That is how they are wired. You see that person that is always on your WhatsApp group asking questions week in, week out about that legitimate project you are promoting. This is your sign to remove them from your WhatsApp group now. Because some people will be 4 months on your legit WhatsApp group. 4 months. They have not put in a dime. They have not put in a dime. But in those 4 months, they have gone in and out of at least 5 Ponzi schemes. In, collapse, out. In, collapse. They are in your WhatsApp group. They have not put in money. You are there waiting for them. If eventually they put in money, they will go with $100 and they will be expecting Ponzi returns. They will be the one to challenge and criticize your project the most. This is a sign for you to remove them from your WhatsApp group. Now, if you are looking for free project to make money all around, is it free? Is it free? If it is free, then you are the prize. If it is free, then you are the prize. So if you are ready for something legitimate that involves you committing some amount of money and some amount of time for you to learn the ropes, join my WhatsApp channel. It is not for those looking for a woof. It is not for lazy people. It is not for people looking for fraudulent Ponzi schemes. It is for those who are looking for legit projects. Join my WhatsApp channel and my WhatsApp groups in the description. We share legitimate projects that ensures that you make money in the proper way. All right. I remain Victor Isibor. I'll see you on the other side. Until then, it's bye-bye.